Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Caricia. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my weekly reset routine. Basically, I'm going to be showing you how I stay rich, moisturized, and smelling amazing on a budget, of course, while getting ready for a new week. But first, I want to talk about my Dossier perfumes. I use these on a regular in my daily routine as well as my weekly reset. Dossier recreates high-end and luxury scents for the low while keeping the same high quality at low prices, like $30. I received 2 scents from Dossier perfumes. This is my second time receiving perfumes from them, and the first time, if you haven't seen that video, you should go watch it and see how I also use these perfumes in terms of like manifestation and just like visualization. So I received 2 of their perfumes. Come with these little cards. I got their floral marshmallow, which is inspired by Killian Love Don't Shy de Parfum, which costs about $240 retail. And I also got their Amber Cherry, which is based off of Tom Ford Lost Cherry, and that retails for about $375. I mean, $375 versus like $40. So these are the 2 perfumes that I got. Both of these are actually bestsellers on the website. I was so obsessed with the last set that I got, and I still actually have the bottles over there because I just think they're so pretty. The packaging is so cute, and it has on this like little magnetic lid. Both of them like smell like really like luxury and just like I really don't know how to describe it, but this one smells like really like, I'd say like luxury and like a little bit like more masculine. A little bit, it's like both a little bit feminine and kind of masculine, and it's like a little fruitier on the fruitier side. So this one I've been like literally using up. You can already see like I used half the bottle already, which is insane. I've just been like, because it just smells so freaking good and just so like expansive. This one is their floral cherry. I really like the color of this one. It's like this ambery color. The other 2 that I got also, they've always been clear, so this is my first one getting that's colored, and I think it's such a pretty color. And this one's more like soft and like has like a hint of this like nostalgic like scent. Definitely worth a try. And if like, I feel like they're also great if like you want to test out luxury fragrance before actually making that major like splurge. You can always like go to Dossier and like get it for cheaper. And also Dossier has this crazy amazing like return policy, which I didn't even know they had, where you can return a fragrance after 30 days if you don't even like it, even if it's used. So I think that's like a great like, I think that's great. I feel like that like quality in a company is like so freaking useful and great. So if you don't like the scent after getting it for like a fraction of the cost, you can also return it and get a new one if you don't like it before 30 days. So I think that's a great like little perk. I'm gonna leave the link to Dossier's website down below in the description, and I'm also gonna give you guys a code that you can use and get some cash off of your next Dossier purchase. Luxury scents at a fraction of cost plus another discount. Don't we just love savings? Don't we just love luxury? Don't we just love smelling good? I do. So I'm about to show you guys my full weekly reset routine and what I've been using to smell amazing, from my skincare to my hair. And I'm also going to show you guys me refreshing my nails, like the whole routine of how I refresh and get ready for a new week and just make sure I feel my absolute most best and most luxurious self. If you want to see all of that, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. That's my weekly reset routine. I've been staying moisturized and smelling amazing. Honestly, I've been like obsessed with all the products that I've been using. I've been obsessed with all the smells that everything has been giving. And guys, I promise you, after using all these products, like, you won't smell amazing. And following through with this video, like, look, I don't know what to tell you, because it's the fresh, luxurious feeling after using all these products, including my Dossier perfumes, which you should click the link below and go visit their site and check out the perfumes and use my code for a great discount. I just be feeling amazing. You should click the link in the bio and visit Dossier's website and see what they have. They might even have some scents that you're already like looking into and might want to try for a lower price. And honestly, I feel like this is a great deals. You know, I gotta come up with the deals.